In this tutorial, we are learning how to do the head push transition. Now, we have a special guest named Hostelbon here. He's an awesome guy, one of my best friends. Go down below and check him out. All his link trees down there. Now, first thing is, we're going to watch his side, and I'm going to also put my input too as we're watching his side. All right. Hi, Hostel. Let's see how this is done. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. What's going on? Hold on. Step one. Okay, he says choose an audio. Okay, choose an audio. So when you're going to choose an audio, pretty much what you're going to choose is an audio that is, how can I say it? Something that has like a boom to it, or like a transition to the audio where it just goes from low to high, or it's like a da 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 boom. You want something like that, so that way you can move the bar to where you want the second video to start at the spot, like where it goes boom. So that way it emphasizes the transition. It makes it more powerful and cool, right? Well, with that one being said, let's see what else he says. All right, that's step one, correct? Okay, now we need to grab all the stuff for the transition. I think that should have been step one, but we're good, right? So now go grab everything you need, like the tripod for the phone, your lighting, what you're going to change into, if you're going to change into anything, or leave your phone on the tripod, go turn into OC, then come back to finish the transition. Just depends on what you want to do, so grab everything you need at this point. Now, number two, it's a two-parter. Why is it a two-parter? Oh, because, okay, I'm going to do this too. Okay, so the first step is place your hand behind the back of your head and push down. Okay. I'm still watching. Okay, so we do this, right? We go, zoom, right? Okay, what does it say? Second step is move your hand from the back of your head to standing position and put your hand in front of the camera. Set the timer and finish the push. So what he means by that is, so when you're doing a transition, you have a sound. So it's like, I'm going to just make one up. Da, 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 boom, right? So it's like, da, 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 right? It stopped right there. So like you were still kind of in motion when it stopped. Now what he means is get back in a position. I'm not standing because I can't stand in my section. So back in a position. And so now we're going to watch what he says after this and what he does. But I think what you do is you start the timer, you put your hand in the exact position. Let's see how he does this. Number two. Okay. Puts the hand right here. Okay, puts the hand right where it was. And then just start the shoot and push through. That's it. And now this is how it should look. Do you see? All of these transitions are optical illusions. So you pretty much put something in front of the camera so it blurs out so you could do something else. And that goes for any transition. I really hope this guide helped you out. Hope you learned something new. With that being said, keep on creating and have a good time. Bye-bye.